Let's see if we can decipher what are the constants, the variables, and the coefficients in these expressions. First, you have to decide where your terms are so you can see them. Term, a term. It starts with a positive and it starts with a negative. So we have 4 terms in this particular expression. Our constants are just the plain single numbers. So here's a term with just a single number in it. 3 is a constant. And -4 is a constant. It's all by itself, and those will never change. The variables in this are letters X and B. The coefficients would be with the letters. So the coefficients here would be a 7 and the 9. In the second expression, how many terms are there? I count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our constant, this one is attached to a letter, it doesn't count. That's attached to a letter. This is a letter all by itself, but we want just the numbers. And this one is also attached. So there are no constants in this equation at all. The variables in this are the B, N, X, the J, and the G. This X is negative. I didn't carry the sign with it because it's an understood coefficient. We are dealing with an understood 1 here. So when we get to our coefficients, we would use 2 because it's attached to the B, 5 because it's attached to the N, a -1 because that's understood attached to the X, and a 6. Our terms, we have 4m, -2y, -14abc. There are no positive or negative signs between those letters, so our term is quite long here, -14, A, B, and C. Our constants, those are just single numbers that are not attached to any letters. 4 is attached, -2 is attached, -14 is attached. So there are no constants in this expression. Our variables are simply the letters that could be substituted for numbers. So we have an M, a Y, and an A, a B, and a C. Those are variables. Coefficients are attached to those letters. 4, a -2, a -14.